Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our today's topic is multiplication of fraction. In multiplication, we take some basic question from exercise. To see the first question, give the answer of drawing. There are drawing. In this drawing, first drawing, we saw that there is a circle. There is a circle in which we have three dividation. 1, 2, 3. 3 dividation means divide by 3. 3 dividation means divide by 3. In this diagram, we saw that there are a dark part in this circle. The dark part is 1 and 2. 2 parts. In the 2 parts of this circle is dark. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 is our answer in first. 2 out of 3 is second. 2 out of 3 is third. Means what is the multiplication of this? What is the final answer? 2 part and 2 part. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 time 2 part out of 3. 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. The answer is 3 time multiply 2 by 3. In this diagram, there is a square in which 2 parts. 1 part is dark. In this diagram, 1 part is dark. There are 2 parts. There are 2 parts. The drawing divided in 2 parts. 1 part is dark. 1 time and 2 time. 2 time 1 by 2. In this diagram, there are 4 parts. The diagram divided in 4 parts. Selected is 1, dark is 1. 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. 3 time 1 by 4 is correct answer. In this drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Division by 5. Dark is 1. 1 time and 2 time. There is 2 time multiply 1 by 5. So this is our first question. We will move to our next question. So student, now our next question is question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form means we will multiply two numbers, then write down in lowest form means cutting out each other by a common factor and convert into mixed fraction number. This is our first question. When we attending this type of question, there are 2 numbers. First number is integer number and second number is fraction number. When we multiply, then it will be converted into a fraction number. 7 is an integer number. We will convert it to a fraction number by dividing 1. Then when we multiply, we will see that there are no common factor in this question. So multiplication in numerator and denominator. In numerator 7 into 3 21. In denominator 1 into 5 5. This is our multiplication answer in lowest form. Then convert into a mixed fraction number. When we convert it, we will divide 21 by 5. There are 4 times 20, remainder is 1. There is no digits, so 1 is lowest from 5, so we cannot divide again. The answer is 4 times complete dividation, 1 is remainder, we will divided by 5. 4 is complete dividation, 1 is remainder, 5 is our divisor. So this is our mixed fraction number. We will take another example. 2 into 6 upon 7. For this we will convert it to a fraction number, so we can divide by 1, and 6 upon 7 multiplication in numerator and denominator. In numerator 2 into 6 12, in denominator 1 into 7 7. Now we will convert into a mixed fraction number. 21 will divide by 7, 12 is divided by 7. 1 time 7, remainder is 5, 5 is less than 7, so we cannot divide again. The answer is, we will divide 1 time, remainder is 5, divisor is 7. So this is our mixed fraction number. Now taking another question. Question number 6. 5 by 2 into 6. First of all, we will convert it into a fraction number. There are two methods to converting this type of question. We can factor 6 in terms of 2. 2 is denominator part, so we can convert the 6 in 2 into 3 form. 2 into 3. Here 2 will divide by 2 1 time. 2 can divide 2 1 time. So 5 into 1 into 3. 5 into 3. 15 upon 1 into 1, 1. So final answer is 15. This is an integer, so we cannot written in a mixed fraction number. Or second answer, question is 5 by 2 into 6. We can write down this number in fraction number. 6 written in a fraction number by dividing 1. Multiplication in numerator and denominator part separately. 5 into 6, 30. 2 into 1, 2. When 2 divide 30, 1 time 2, remainder is 1, next digit is 0. 5 time 10, 5 time 10, there is no remainder, so answer is 15. So this is our final answer. Taking next question, question number 8. 20 into 4 by 5. In this question, we will convert into a fraction number. 20 upon 1, 4 upon 5. 5 can divide 20. 5 can divide 20 4 times. 5 can divide 20 4 times. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 is our final answer. Or Now taking question again, 20 into 4 by 5, 20 upon 1 into 4 by 5, 20 into 4, 80, 1 into 5, 5. We will divide 80 by 5, 1 time 5, remainder is 3, next digit is 0, 6 times 30. So answer by dividation is 16. Taking our next question, question number 10, 15 into 3 by 5. Now converting into fraction number, we can divide by 1 and next digit is 3 by 5. 5 can divide 15 by 3 times. 3 into 3, 9. So our answer is 9. Or in other words, 15 into 3 by 5 is equal to 15 upon 1 into 3 by 5. Multiplication in numerator and denominator separately. 15 into 3, 45, 1 into 5, 5. We will divide 5 into 45 9 times. So this is our final answer. Let from beginning of the question saying that multiply and reduce to lowest form. Multiplication in fraction number will be numerator and denominator part separately and convert into a mixed fraction number. Question number first, 7 into 3 by 5. This is our integer and this is our fraction. So we will convert integer into a fraction number by dividing 1. We will multiply numerator and denominator separately. 7 into 3, 21, 1 into 5, 5. This is our multiplication answer. Then we will convert into a mixed fraction number. So 21 will divide by 5. 5 is 4 times 20. Remainder is 1. 1 is less than 5, so we cannot divide again. So in this dividation, we will completely divide by 4. Remainder is 1 and divisor is 5. This is our answer. In next question, 2 into 6 upon 7. We will convert 2 into a fraction number by dividing 1. 2 into 6, 12, 1 into 7, 7. This is our fraction number. By multiplication, our fraction number is 12 by 7. Now 12 will divide by 7. 1 time 7, remainder is 5. 5 is less than 7, so we cannot divide again. In this dividation, we will completely divide by 1. Remainder is 5. Divisor is 7. So this is our mixed fraction number. Now taking another question. Question number 6. 5 by 2 into 6. We will convert 6 in a fraction number. Now in this 6, we can factorize this 6 2 by 2 by 3, 2 into 3. We will cut 2 and 2. The numerator part, 5 into 3, 15 and 1. The answer is 15. We will attend the question in second format. The question is 5 by 2 into 6. 6 converted to fraction number. 5 into 6, 30. 1 into 2, 2. When we divide 30 by 2, the answer is 15. Question number 8. 20 into 4 by 5. We will convert 20 into a fraction number by dividing 1. 5 can divide 20 by 4 times. By 4 times. 5 is cut down, so this is 1. 4 into 4 16, 1 into 1 1. In another method 20 into 4 by 5, 20 will convert to a fraction number. 20 into 4 80, 1 into 5 5. When we divide 80 by 5, answer is 16. Now question number 10, 15 into 3 by 5. First of all, 15 convert to a fraction number by dividing 1. Now 5 can cut 15 by 3 times. 5 can cut 15 by 3 times. So 3 into 3, answer is 9. In another method, we will convert into a fraction number. Numerator and denominator will multiply separately. 15 into 3 45, 1 into 5 5. When we divide by 5 in 45, the answer is 9. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our another question. So students, our next question is question number 4. Said in this diagram, half of the circles in box A. There are many circles counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 circles. Total 12 circle in a box. Select half of the circle. Half of, what is the half of 12? Half of 12 will be 6. So shade 6 circle in the box. Now the question is, half of the circles is half of how many circle? 12 circle. How many circle in this diagram? Total 12 circle in this diagram. Half of, students, mention this of will remove by multiplication sign. Of will remove by multiplication sign. So half into 12. Half into 12. 12 will convert into a fraction number. 2 can divide 12 by 6 times. So answer is 6. The shade 6 circle. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Total 6 circle will be shade. Now in our another question, 3 by 5 of the square in box. Total squares 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Total 15 square. So question is 3 by 5 of the square is equal to 3 by 5 of total square. Total square is 15. Now we will remove of by a multiplication. This is multiplication. 5 can divide 15 by 3 times. So answer is 3 into 3 9. We will shade 9 square in this diagram. Total 9 square will be shade. So students, let the question again. Half of the circles. How many circles? How many circles? The circle is total 12. So half of the circle, half of total circle is 12. Now off will remove by multiplication sign. So 1 by 2 off means multiply 12. 2 can divide 12 by 6 times. So we will select 6 circle in this diagram. 3 by 5 of the square in box. The total square is 15. 3 by 5 of the square is 15. Now we will remove off by multiplication. 5 can divide 15 by 3 times. So 3 into 3, answer is 9. So we dark the square 9 squares. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now student, our next question is question number 5. Find a part half of 24 and 46. Half of 24. First is half of 24. We know that of will remove by multiplication. Of will remove by multiplication. In this multiplication, we will convert into a fraction number 24 divided by 1. Now we can cut 24 by 12 times or write 24 upon 2. 2 will divide 24, 1 time 2, remainder is 0, next digit is 4, 2 time 4. So answer is 12. 2 can divide 24 12 times. Next is half of 46 is equal to half. Of will remove by multiply. Of will remove by multiply 46 by a fraction number. We can divide 46 by 1. 2 can divide 46. Numerator part and denominator part, 46 upon 2. Answer is 23. Now our next question, 4 by 5 of 20. 4 by 5 parts of 20. Of will remove by multiply. We will convert into a fraction number. 4 into 20, 80 divided by 5. 80 will divide by 5. 1 time 5, remainder is 3, next digit is 0. 5 6 time, 6 time 30. The division is over. So answer is 16. Now taking next question, 4 by 5 of 35. 4 by 5 of 35. Of will remove by multiply. 4 by 5 multiply 35. 35 will be converted into a fraction number by dividing 1. Now 5 can divide 35. 5 can divide 35 7 times. Now this is 1 and 1. Answer is 28. In another sense, or 4 by 5 of 35 is equal to 4 by 5. Of will remove by multiply. Now the multiplication in numerator and denominator part will be attended separately. 4 into 35, we can check the multiplication in our rough copy. 20, 12, 14 upon 5. 140 will divide by 5. There is 2 times 10, remainder is 4, next digit is 0. Now 8 times 40, the answer is 28. So student, let from beginning, find half of 24, half of 46. There is two question. First question is half of 24. Half of 24. Of will remove by multiply. 24 converted into a fraction number. 1 into 24. 24 2 into 1 2. 2 will divide 24 by 12 times. Next question is half of 46. Half of 46. Of will remove by multiply. We can change 46 into a fraction number. 1 into 46 46. 2 into 1 2. We can divide 46 by 2 23 times. Next question is 4 by 5 of 20 and 4 by 5 of 35. Attending first question, 4 by 5 of 20. Of will remove by multiply. 20 converted into a fraction number. 4 into 20 80. 5 into 1 5. When we divide 5 in 80, answer is 16. Our next question is 4 by 5 of 35. 4 by 5 of 35. Of will remove by multiply. 35 will be converted into a fraction number by dividing 1. 5 can divide 35. 5 can divide 35 7 times. So 4 7. 4 into 7 28. Or in other method, 4 by 5 of 35 is our question. Of will remove by multiply sign. 35 written in a fraction number by dividing 1. 4 into 35, answer is 140. 5 into 1 is 5. When we divide 140 by 5, answer is 28. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. There is question of multiplication. We know that multiplication can done in fraction form. This is integer. We can convert into a fraction number by dividing 1. This is a mixed fraction number. So we will convert into a improper fraction number. In this, there is 3. We can convert into a fraction number by dividing 1. Now, in this mixed fraction, we know that this is multiplication, then add 5 into 5. First of all, multiplication, then add 1. Divisor is 5. 3 upon 1 into 5 into 5, 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5. Now 3 into 26, this is 78 upon 1 into 5, 5. This is our answer, but express in a mixed fraction number, so we will divide 5 into 78. 1 time 5 minus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next digit is 8. Now there is 5 time 25. Remainder is 3. 3 is less than 5. There is no next digit. So we will stop here. Then we will divide 15 complete times, and then remainder is 3. We will divide by 5. This is our answer. Next question. 7 will write down 7 upon 1. Then multiplication. This is a mixed fraction number, so we will convert 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Then add plus 1. Divisor is 4. 7 upon 1 multiply. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 upon 4. 7 into 9, 63. 1 into 4, 4. we will convert into a mixed fraction number by dividing. 4, 6, 1 time 4, remainder 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, next digit 3, 4, 5 time 20, 3 is less than 4, we cannot divide again, so our answer is 15 complete times, 3 is remainder, we will divide by 4. This is our answer. In next question, this is a mixed fraction number. We know that 4 into 3, then plus 1 upon 4 into 6. 6 is written by 6 upon 1. Now 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4 into 6 by 1. The answer is 13 into 6, 78, 4 into 1, 4. Now we will divide 4 into 78. 1 time 4, 7 minus 4, 3, next digit is 8. We know that we can divide this 9 time 36. Now this is 2, so we can write 19, 2 upon 4, but we know that 2 and 4 can cut down each other, so answer is 9, 1 by 2, 19, 1 by 2. You can also cut here by 2, you can also cut here by 2, the digit is 78 upon 4, we will divide by 2, divided by 2. When we divide by 2, this is 3 times 18 will be 9, 2 times. When we divide by 2, this is 1 time 19, 9 time 80, remainder is 1. So 19, 1 by 2 we can express is this. So taking from beginning of the question, multiply and express as a mixed fraction number. The first question is 3 into 5, 1 upon 5. We know that we can multiply only fraction number, so we will represent into fraction number. This is first is integer number, we will divide by 1, so this digit converted into a fraction number. This is mixed fraction number, we will convert into a normal fraction number or improper fraction number. 5 into 5 plus 1, 5 into 5 plus 1, divisor is 5. 5 into 5, 25 plus 1 is 26, so 26 by 5. When we multiply, the answer is 78 upon 5. For converting a mixed fraction number, we will divide 78 by 5. First digit is 7, 1 time 5, 7 minus 5, 2, next digit 8, 28, 5 are 25, minus, answer is 3. 3 is less than 5, there is no another digit, so we will stop here dividing. When we divide 78 by 5, the complete division is 15, remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. Another question, 7 into 2, 1 by 4. First of all, integer number will divide by 1 to converting a fraction number. Second, mixed fraction number by solving 4 into 2 plus 1, 4 into 2 plus 1, divisor is 4. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 4. 7 into 9, 63, 1 into 4, 4. When we divide 63 by 4, first digit is 6, 1 time 4. 6 minus 4, 2, next digit is 23, 4, 5 is 20, so 5 times 20, minus Answer is 3. There is no another digit. 3 is less than 4, so we cannot divide again. The answer is 15. Remainder is 3. Divisor is 4. Remainder is 3. Divisor is 4. In another question, there is mixed fraction number. So 4 into 3 plus 1. 4 into 3 plus 1. Divisor is 4. 6 is a integer number. So we will convert into a fraction number by dividing 1. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4, 6 by 1. 13 into 6, 78 by 4. When we dividing, answer is 19, 2 by 4. 2 and 4 can cut each other. We will divide 2 and 2. 1 time, 2 time. So answer is 19, 1 by 2. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another question in our next class. Thank you for watching this video.